Hi, welcome back to the barn, guys. Hope you're all well. So sadly, the nights are drawing in and the days are getting cooler. Now you may not recognise that based on the weather today. We've got a 3-day mini heat wave. Last week it was cold and wet. Next week's cold and wet. So it's a timely reminder I need to get on with this last part of the wall. And today, to facilitate that, I need to clear all this roof space and adios this ladder. So I've just removed all my clamps. Next I'm going to have to remove all this timber that's up there. Some of it can just be cut up for kindling and firewood. Some of it maybe comes in for other projects later down the line. And then we need to find out how to get rid of this ladder. This ladder's not going out of the door. I just haven't got the space to drop it and turn it, I don't think. So I'm going to have to cut an hole in the side of the wall to get it out. And I can't decide yet to go that way with it or that way. There are equal complications either way. Now let's get rid of all this waste timber and then we're just left with the ladder. Well, I need to move all them lights before I can move the ladder, but I'm glad I've got rid of all that stuff. And I guess I should move all these as well before I move that ladder. I've been spending some time learning the principles of timber finishes. When I made windows and doors, we used to just give things a coat of stain before they went out of the workshop, or maybe a paint undercoat. When I worked in a large workshop, we used to just put our finished joinery item on a cart and wheel it into the paint shop. And that's still a principle I like to adopt today with the paint director. How come you're covered in blue paint, Gracie? Over the last few weeks, I've been increasing my skills and knowledge with Woodworkers Guild of America. Their expert guidance and library of lessons will help you expand your skills and tackle new projects with confidence. Whether furniture making, carving, turning, joinery, or in my case, applied finishes. Their ever-expanding catalogue of tutorial videos cater for all. Members starting out in woodworking can enjoy basic woodworking principles and safety advice. For those with more advanced skills, they teach techniques usually just taught at colleges. Therefore, as a member of Woodworkers Guild of America, you will enjoy the benefit of video tutorials giving step-by-step instructions, enabling you to complete your projects. For me, woodworking is more than an hobby. It is a craft that challenges my mind, enables me to renovate my home and, if all goes well, leaves me with a sense of lasting pride. The first 1,000 woodworkers to click on the link in this video description will enjoy a full year of premium membership to Woodworkers Guild of America for just $1.49. Alternatively, click this QR code on the screen. Right, let's see if we can wrestle these ladders out of the roof. It's the next day. I've managed to get rid of one complication, which was negotiating with the painting director to remove this Virginia creeper. So I did that last night, but then I ran out of time and daylight to remove the ladder. So Obviously it's coming this way. This hole is the hole that I took the smaller ladder out of about 3 years ago now. And the reason I took that ladder out and not the bigger ladder at the time was that I needed it to repair something on the roof. And that was the importance. So I need to remove that. I need to remove this bigger board here. I need to remove probably another 2 of the siding boards outside and then repair the hole. And then I'm probably going to have to just notch the tie bar in the truss at that end to let them 2 little upstands come through. Then hopefully it'll come out. Weather yesterday has been replaced with rain today, and it's only going to get worse as the day goes on, so I need to crack on. Going up, so we are going up. Hey, right, that's it. The ladder is no more. It's amazing how big this roof space looks with no ladder. And now it means I can get on with this wall and get on with the ceiling. No more procrastinating. Next video, probably go shopping to buy some materials because I don't have any insulation or stud work for that wall. So we'll go and get some stud work, ceiling rafters, things like that. Hopefully then it'll be full speed ahead, insulating and finishing this end before the winter comes. So thank you for watching this video. Massive thank you to the Woodworkers Guild of America for sponsoring this video. The links, as I said earlier, are down in the description. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you on the next video. If you liked it that much, please consider subscribing. Helps the channel out a lot. And until next time, bye.